Plan your home and plan your lifestyle. This might look like a room full of wires to you, but this is where it all starts. There's a lot of planning and scene setting and everything that should go into the construction process and designing your home to control everything in your home, from video to sound, security, window treatments, and so much more. Right here, you're gonna see Ioty pre-wired this entire home to be able to set every mood, every scene, so that way the homeowner can have the perfect home experience and home lifestyle. All right, enough talk about that right now. We're gonna be catching up on that on another scene later on, but we're gonna go downstairs, check out invisible speakers. Yes, that's right, invisible speakers. You don't see them. We're gonna check out the before. So come with me, let's walk down. Now that we're downstairs, we're here to talk to you about invisible speakers. Yes, that's right, invisible speakers. Once this project is complete, you will not see a speaker in the ceiling. When you're here at home, entertaining, having friends, watching the game, you don't want to see light after speaker after light. Well, this homeowner, they wanted to make sure it was a seamless experience. So Ioty designed the perfect system from bracket to completion, where there will not be any sound vibrations. The sound will be crisp, it will be clear, it will be perfect for the homeowner to make sure not only aesthetically it's perfect, but the sound is perfect. So make sure you tune in for the next segments to get more on this beautiful home construction. You can always subscribe now, hit the bell at homeshows.net.